What if the secret to feeding billions wasn't just about farming, but about what's inside each tiny grain of fertilizer? Join us as we unlock the hidden world of a cutting-edge granules factory, revealing how innovation transforms raw materials into the vital nutrients that power global agriculture. Pull back the curtain with us as we journey deep inside a state-of-the-art nutrient delivery facility, showcasing the intricate dance of machinery and innovation that creates high-quality fertilizer. Materials are transported through the batching system via belt conveyor. Double shafts paddles mixer mixes the materials evenly. The mixed material is then fed to disc feeder and fed through discharge port to double roller granulators below. 4 double roller granulators combine to produce granules. The fertilizer granules are then conveyed to rotary screener. The screened granules are then transported by belt conveyor to coating machine for coating. Coating prevents clumping and regulates nutrient release. The screening machine removes unformed powder and returns it for re-granulation. The coated granules are then transported to fertilizer packaging machine for packaging, completing the entire fertilizer production process. This production line is energy efficient and flexible in raw material adaptation. It can produce granules in various sizes, ranging from 2.5 to 18 millimeters, and is suitable for various fertilizer types, including organic and compound fertilizers.